YouTubers and subscribers. Now this is my 7th video of X-Buster. Now we are going, and my mom just got me this Battle Academy Pokemon card box. And now you see on my 6th video, we left the camping site, now we are home. This is my house here. And now we are going to open what is inside of this Battle Academy box. Ooh. It looks like we got a board here. And we got the Pikachu deck guide. And a Charizard too. Ooh, and we got some Pikachu deck and a Charizard deck. Here. Now we'll just open these later. And also we got some stickers, the GX stickers and some 150s and 10 stickers. And we got a Vantage rulebook. Ooh, and we got a Pikachu Charizard Mewtwo coin. Look at that. And now first things first, we're just gonna quickly check under here if there's nothing. Now let's see what are in these. And then we got this. And we got a Pikachu deck. Now let's see what are in these decks. Now we just and this bit. Ooh, and it looks like we have some cards.
Ooh.
Let's not look at them and figure. We got so many.
Ah. Wow.
Now we are going to mix these so we might not look what's inside. There. Now we're gonna look. So first we got a energy lightning card, another, a potion, a Bitzel. Wait, just wait. Daddy, look how many cards we got.
Wow, that's a lot. Wow.
That was even more.
So many.
And we got a Bitzel, another energy card, and another. Ooh, and we got another. But we got another Zippo, but an evolution, a Zip Striker. Ooh, and we got a Pikachu.
Yoo-hoo.
Pikachu. Ooh, and we got a Tails, a Trainer Hawk, energy card, another. We're getting so many electric energy cards here. Another. Ooh, and now we just got an electric buzz. Electric buzz? I can't say. Another energy card. Another. Oh my God, we are getting so many energy electric cards. Hey, do you think this is we call it the Pikachu deck? Another. Ooh, and we got another Pikachu. A Bitzel. Oh my God! Oh my God! We just got our very first Y2GX.
Wow. You never got this one before?
Never. And it looks like it is Thunderbolt and Sparkle GX.
Woohoo!
Now YouTubers and subscribers, now we just got a Y2GX. Now we should leave our Precious over here in our deck. No, let's put it here so we don't get trampled up. And we got a Cynthia, Electric Box, Grateful. Ooh, and we got a Alolan Raichu, Pikachu, a Trainer Hawk. Ooh, and we got a Electriver. And it evolves from Electric Buzz, Switch, Bugcatcher, Cynthia, Grateful, another energy card, another Kansai, Bugcatcher, Bitzel, Bugcatcher, energy card, Hot trainer, electric bus, potion, electric great ball, towels, switch, energy card, electric power, heart, and another electric timer. Another this. And now we got a Pikachu, a great ball, Pokemon fan club, electric, and we got bug catcher, another little Raichu, Cynthia, and our last one we got a Z-Striker. Okay, YouTubers and subscribers, make sure to watch my 8th video of the Charizard deck and the Mewtwo deck. We're just making another video because my mom thinks it's getting too long. So I hope you like my 8th video of the Charizard deck and on my 9th video, the Mewtwo deck. Bye. Now hello YouTubers and subscribers. Now this is our 8th video now. And now we are going to open this Charizard deck and let's see if we got any rares. We only might get one, which is maybe not bad. Okay, let's just see. Don't look. Now just mix it. Now let's see what we have. Ooh, we got a Sandlot, a Charmeleon, a Fire Energy card, Trainer Hawk, Flareon, Eevee, Welder Trainer, Energy card, Sazzle, another energy card, Cynthia, another fire energy card, another fire energy card, Salandit, another energy card, ooh, a Charmander, Charmeleon, Potion, Salandit, another energy card, another energy card, another. Ooh, and we have a Sazzle, energy card, ooh, and a Kangas. Kangas. And we got another energy card, we have Charmander. Ooh, and we just got a second ultimate. We got a Charizard JX.
Wow.
Our second best rare, man. And we're going to meet our crushes right over here. And we got Cynthia, a switch, trainer switch, Hawk. One go. Now we got a Charmander, Great Ball, Pokemon Catcher, Kangaskhan again, Trainer, Charmeleon. Hey guys, it's kind of funny when Charmeleon, you know the Leon guy who's famous, who has a Charizard? It's like Leon. I heard that joke from somebody. Cynthia, Sazzle, Great Ball, Bugcatcher. Ooh, and we got a Moltres. Legendary Pokemon, but not rare in Pokemon Club. And we got a Pokemon Fan Club, a Flareon, a Great Ball, Charmander, Trainer Hawk, Switch. Ooh, and we just got another Charizard. It's not like a GX, but we got a Charizard. I'm going to leave the Charizards with the Charizard GX. We got the Fire Energy card, Potion, and Eevee. Another energy card, Bugcatcher, Great Ball, and our last There's a fire energy card. Ooh, and today we just got actually both winners. Well, not exactly. We got a Charizard GX and a Charizard. Now YouTubers and subscribers, we make sure to watch my 9th video tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna make it tomorrow after my school because I'm a little young. So I hope you watch my opening Mewtwo deck. So I hope you like this. I hope you like this video and smash the like button and like this video. Oh, so have a good night. Bye. And I hope you subscribe the 9th video of the Mewtwo deck. Bye. Now I can't believe it. We just got a 3rd JX. We got a Mewtwo JX. Now, YouTubers and subscribers, I hope you like this video. Smash the like button and I hope you enjoy my 10th video of maybe the 4th